I will be arguing the pro side, that is, some people are born to be criminals, rather than are made by society. Some studies have been carried out to try and explain criminal behavior. One specifically has come to show that criminals are in fact born, or some of them. In 2009, some researchers found that the warrior gene, which is a specific genetic sequence found in around 30% of men, is linked to an increased proneness to more aggressive behavior. This warrior gene is also recognized as MAOA, is there to regulate neurotransmitters that take care of impulse control in the brain. In more scientific terms, the MAOA gene, specifically monoamine oxidase A, is involved in the breakdown of the neurotransmitters serotonin, epinephrine, norepinephrine, and dopamine. Signals transmitted by serotonin regulate mood, emotion, sleep, and appetite. Epinephrine and norepinephrine control the body's response to stress, and dopamine transmits signals within the brain to produce smooth physical movements. So furthermore, in the study, it was found that people who have this gene demonstrated more aggression in response to provocations. This gene is found in the majority of convicted violent criminals, but also in normal functioning members of the population. Yes, maybe it isn't enough to convict someone for possessing this gene, but regarding the argument, it is enough to prove that certain people are born criminals. People with this gene are, in other words, more prone to violent behavior because they cannot control their impulses. And yes, others who have this gene can control it, but there's still a large majority that can't, or once triggered, they cannot control it. Consequently, this is attributed to the warrior gene, which is, in other words, sums it up that some people are just born criminals, some learn to control it, and others simply can't and act on it.